Dear students, a very warm welcome to my Arabic learning class. Ahlan wa sahla, marhaban bikum. In this lesson, you will learn how to make imperative verbs fi'lul amr in Arabic in details. You have already learned the perfect verbs al-fi'l al-madi and the imperfect verbs al-fi'l al-mudari in the last lectures. Before we start this lesson, I would like to draw your attention to these points. You have already learned almost entire basic necessary grammars needed to form all types of nominal sentences and different types of verbal sentences using perfect verbs and imperfect verbs. In nominal sentences, you have learned the demonstrative pronouns, the personal pronouns, the interrogative particles, the personal suffixes completely. You have learned the entire forms of singular, dual and plural nouns and pronouns. And in verbal sentences, you have learned almost 50 perfect verbs al-fi'l al-madi. You have learned the usage of perfect verbs in your own sentences. You have learned almost 60 imperfect verbs al-fi'l al-mudari with their meanings. I am sure now you can make simple nominal and verbal sentences in Arabic very easily. If you have any confusion or doubt, please revisit the lessons where these things have been taught in detail. For achieving the best results, you have to keep on revising previous lessons again and again. Dear students, today you will learn how to make imperative verbs fi'l amr in details inshallah. Before starting the new lesson, let's revise some imperfect verbs that we have already learned in the previous 6 lectures. يذهب عابد إلى الجامعة. يذهب عابد إلى الجامعة. يذهب عابد إلى الجامعة. عابد goes to the university. سيكتب يوسف في دفتره. سيكتب يوسف في دفتره. سيكتب يوسف في دفتره. Yusuf will write in his notebook. سدرة تعمل في المصرف. سدرة تعمل في المصرف. سدرة تعمل في المصرف. سدرة works at the bank. ستسمع سعدية المحاضرة. ستسمع سعدية المحاضرة. ستسمع سعدية المحاضرة. Sadia will listen to the lecture. تدخل مكتبة الكلية. مكتبة الكلية, that is the college library, a library of the college. تدخل مكتبة الكلية. تدخل مكتبة الكلية. You one man entered the college library. ستلعب الكرة الطائرة. ستلعب الكرة الطائرة. ستلعب الكرة الطائرة. You will play football. تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. You one woman cut vegetables. سوف تغسلين وجهك. سوف تغسلين وجهك. سوف تغسلين وجهك. You one woman will wash your face. أنا آكل الموز. أنا آكل الموز. أنا آكل الموز. I eat banana. سآكل التفاح. سآكل التفاح. سآكل التفاح. I will eat apple. نلعب الكريكت. نلعب الكريكت. نلعب الكريكت. We play cricket. سنلعب التنس غدا. سنلعب التنس غدا. سنلعب التنس غدا. We will play tennis tomorrow. Dear learners, today let's learn how to make imperative verbs fi'l al-amr in details. Now I speak some imperfect verbs that you have already learnt and I make the imperative verbs a fi'l al-amr out of them. You have to follow me for the proper pronunciation and observe the changes happening there in the imperfect verbs. So please listen carefully and repeat with me. Follow me. Tazhab, izhab. Tazhab, izhab. Tahfaz, ihfaz. So from tazhab, izhab. Tahfaz, ihfaz. Tahfaz, ihfaz. Tadhak, idhak. Tadhak, idhak. Tadhak, idhak. Ta'mal, i'mal. Ta'mal, i'mal. Ta'mal, i'mal. Tajlis, ijlis. Tajlis, ijlis. Tajlis, ijlis. Tarja', irja'. Tarja', irja'. Tarja', irja'. Ta'rif, i'rif. Ta'rif, i'rif. Ta'rif, i'rif. Another word. Tahmil, ihmil. Tahmil, ihmil. Tahmil, ihmil. In all these words, the hamza is maksura. Now, taktub, uktub. Taktub, uktub. Taktub, uktub. Tanzur, unzur. Tanzur, unzur. Tanzur, unzur. Tadkhul, udkhul. Tadkhul, udkhul. Tadkhul, udkhul. Tashkur, ushkur. Tashkur, ushkur. Tashkur, ushkur. Now another words on the same pattern. Tazhabin, izhabi. Tazhabin, izhabi. Tazhabin, izhabi. Tahfazin, ihfazi. Tahfazin, ihfazi. Tahfazin, ihfazi. Tahfazin, ihfazi. Tadhakin, idhaki. Tadhakin, idhaki. Tadhakin, idhaki. Ta'malin, i'mali. Ta'malin, i'mali. Ta'malin, i'mali. Tajlisin, ijlisi. Tajlisin, ijlisi. Tajlisin, ijlisi. Tajlisin, ijlisi. Tarji'in, irji'i. From tarji'in, irji'i. Tarji'in, irji'i. Another word. Ta'rifin, i'rifi. Ta'rifin, i'rifi. Ta'rifin, i'rifi. Tahmilin, ihmili. Tahmilin, ihmili. Tahmilin, ihmili. Another sets of words. Taktubin, uktubi. Taktubin, uktubi. Taktubin, uktubi. Tanzurin, unzuri. Tanzurin, unzuri. Tanzurin, unzuri. Tadkhulin, udkhuli. Tadkhulin, udkhuli. Tadkhulin, udkhuli. And the last word. Tashkurin, ushkuri. Tashkurin, ushkuri. Tashkurin, ushkuri. Dear learners, after the observation, you will find that the imperative verbs are formed from the second person moods of the imperfect verbs. We just prefixed u, alif vowel dhamma if the third letter of the imperfect verb is dhamma. Otherwise, we prefix e, alif vowel kasra. And what we'll do next? We remove noon of the singular feminine also. So let's use the imperative verbs for singular masculine in sentences and translate them into English. Please repeat these sentences with me and try to follow me for the proper pronunciation. So from izhab, idhab ila Pune, idhab ila Pune, idhab ila Pune. You, a man, go to Pune. Another sentence, ihfaz, ihfaz ad-durus, ihfaz ad-durus, ihfaz ad-durus. You, a man, learn the lessons. Uktub risala, uktub risala, uktub risala. You, a man, write a letter. Udrus fil manzil, udrus fil manzil, udrus fil manzil. You, a man, study at home. Another word, i'mal, i'mal fil masrif, i'mal fil masrif, i'mal fil masrif. You, a man, work at the bank. i'mal fil manzil. You, a man, work at the home. انصر الفقراء، انصر الفقراء، انصر الفقراء. You, a man, help the poor. اسكن في دبي، اسكن في دبي، اسكن في دبي. You, a man, live in Dubai. اجلس على الكرسي، اجلس على الكرسي، اجلس على الكرسي. You, a man, sit on the chair. العب كرة القدم، العب كرة القدم، العب كرة القدم. You, a man, play football. اضحك، اضحك، اضحك. You, a man, laugh. Dear students, after the practice of imperative verbs of singular masculine in sentences, let's use the imperative verbs for singular feminine in sentences and translate them into English also. But you are supposed to repeat these sentences with me and try to follow me to improve your pronunciation skill also. Idhabi ila Lucknow. From tazhab, izhab and izhabi. Izhabi ila Lucknow. Izhabi ila Lucknow. You, a woman, go to Lucknow. ihfazi ad-durus, ihfazi ad-durus. From tahfazin, ihfazi, ihfazi ad-durus. You, a woman, learn the lessons. uktubi risala, uktubi risala, uktubi risala. You, a woman, write a letter. Another word, udrusi fil mandil, udrusi fil manzil, udrusi fil manzil. You, a woman, study at home. i'mali fil masrif, i'mali fil masrif, i'mali fil masrif. You, a woman, work at the bank. unsuri al-fuqara, unsuri al-fuqara, unsuri al-fuqara. You, a woman, help the poor. uskuni fi Dubai, uskuni fi Dubai, uskuni fi Dubai. You, a woman, live in Dubai. From ijlis, ijlisi ala al-kursi, ijlisi ala al-kursi, ijlisi ala al-kursi. You, a woman, sit on the chair. il'abi at-tennis, il'abi at-tennis, il'abi at-tennis. You, a woman, play tennis. idhaki, idhaki, idhaki. You, a woman, laugh. So these are the simple Arabic sentences of the imperative verbs for singular feminine and their English translation. For more understanding, let's make more Arabic sentences of the imperative verbs for singular masculine and feminine both. But as I request you, please repeat with me these sentences and follow me for learning proper pronunciation. Irja' ila baytik. From tarji', it will be irja'. Irja' ila baytik. Irja' ila baytik. You, a man, return to your home. Irji'i ila baytik. Irji'i ila baytik. Irji'i ila baytik. You, a woman, return to your home. Khudh kitabak. Khudh kitabak. Khudh kitabak. You, a man, take your book. Khuzi kitabak. Khuzi kitabak. Khuzi kitabak. You, a woman, take your book. Iftah al-bab. Iftah al-bab. Iftah al-bab. You, a man, open the door. Iftahi al-bab. Iftahi al-bab. Iftahi al-bab. You, a woman, open the door. Then from tatruk, utruk. Utruk at-tadkhin. Utruk at-tadkhin. At-tadkhin means smoking. Utruk at-tadkhin. Bil-kha. At-tadkhin. You, a man, leave smoking. Utruki at-tadkhin. Utruki at-tadkhin. Utruki at-tadkhin. You, a woman, leave smoking. Another sentence. Utlub al-adl. Utlub al-adl. Utlub al-adl. You, a man, demand justice. Utlubi al-adl. Utlubi al-adl. Utlubi al-adl. You, a woman, demand justice. Another sentence. Isbah. Isbah fil masbah. Isbah fil masbah. Isbah fil masbah. You, a man, swim in the swimming pool. Another sentence. Isbahi. Isbahi fil masbah. Isbahi fil masbah. Isbahi fil masbah. You, a woman, swim in the swimming pool. Another sentence. Unzur. Unzur ila shasha. Unzur ila shasha. Unzur ila shasha. You, a man, look at the screen. Unzuri ila shasha. Unzuri ila shasha. Unzuri ila shasha. You, a woman, look at the screen. Udkhul al-maktaba. From tadkhul, it will be udkhul. And from tadkhuli, it will be udkhuli. Udkhul al-maktaba. Udkhul al-maktaba. Udkhul al-maktaba. You, a man, enter the library. Udkhuli al-maktaba. You, a woman, enter the library. There is a very important note I want to make here, that to make imperative verbs for dual number, masculine and feminine both, you have to suffix alif to the singular masculine only. For the dual number, what you have to do? Only you have to suffix alif after the singular masculine for masculine and feminine both. Example is izhab, izhabi, izhaba. Izhab, izhabi, izhaba. For izhaba is dual for masculine and feminine both. Izhab, izhaba, izhabi, izhaba. Izhab, izhaba, izhabi, izhaba. And from ihfaz, ihfaz, ihfaza. And ihfazi, ihfaza. Ihfaz, ihfaza. Ihfazi, ihfaza. I'mal, i'mala. I'mali, i'mala. I'mal for masculine and i'mala for masculine also, but for dual. And i'mali for feminine singular and i'mala dual for feminine. So i'mala, ihfaza, izhaba, all are dual for masculine and feminine both here in imperative verbs. So i'mal, i'mala, i'mali, i'mala. And from ijlis, ijlis, ijlisa. Ijlisi, ijlisa. Ijlis, ijlisa. Ijlisi, ijlisa. And so on. Dear learners, it was all about learning the imperative verbs fi'l amr for singular and dual number, masculine and feminine both, and their usage in Arabic sentences with the English translation. Now, let's do some exercises to test our skills by translating some English sentences into Arabic based on today's lesson. So, let's start. First sentence, enter the library. You, a man, enter the library. Imperative sentence, please. Form imperative sentence. You, a man, enter the library. Udkhul al-maktaba. Very easy. Enter, udkhul, the library, al-maktaba. Udkhul al-maktaba. Another sentence. You, a woman. Here is feminine. You, a woman, demand justice. Demand justice. Yes. Utlubi al-adl. Utlubi al-adl. Utlubi al-adl. Yes. Another sentence. You, a man, leave smoking. You, a man, leave smoking. Smoking is tadkhin. Yes, try. Yes. Utruk at-tadkhin. Utruk at-tadkhin. Utruk at-tadkhin. Another sentence. You, a man, open the door. For masculine. You, a man, single man, open the door. Iftah al-bab. Iftah al-bab. Iftah al-bab. Another sentence. You two women, take the books. You two women, take the books. Khuza. From khuz, it will be khuza. Khuza al-kutub. Khuza al-kutub. Khuza al-kutub. Another sentence. You two men, masculine. You two men, return to your school. Return to your school. Irji'a. From irji', it will be irji'a. Irji'a ila madrasatikuma. To your school. Ila madrasatikuma. Because it is for two men. So madrasatikuma. Irji'a ila madrasatikuma. You, a woman, sit on the chair. You, a woman, sit on the chair. Ijlisi ala al-kursi. Ijlisi ala al-kursi. Ijlisi ala al-kursi. Another sentence, let's try. You, a woman, enter the shop. You, a woman, enter the shop. Yes. For shop, there are two words, ad-dukkan and al-mahal. Enter the shop. Udkhuli al-mahal. Udkhuli al-mahal. Udkhuli al-mahal. Another sentence, you, a man, read these books. You, a man, read these books. Read these books. Iqra هذه الكتب. اقرأ هذه الكتب. اقرأ هذه الكتب. Yes, the last one. You, a woman, go to the market. You, a woman, go to the market. اذهبي إلى السوق. اذهبي إلى السوق. اذهبي إلى السوق. Before I conclude, better to revise those words you have learnt recently and recall what you have learnt today. So from tazhab, it will be izhab. From tazhab, the imperative verb fi'lul amr will be izhab. And from tahfaz, it will be ihfaz. So let's do like that. Tahfaz, ihfaz, tahfazin, ihfazin. Tahfaz, ihfaz, ihfaza. Ihfaz is singular and ihfaza is dual for feminine, for masculine. So tahfaz, ihfaz, ihfaza. Tadhak, idhak, idhaka. Tadhak, idhak, idhaka. Ta'amal, i'mal, i'mala. Ta'amal, i'mal, i'mala. And how we try to remember these words and the pattern and the conjugation. So you can follow me like this. Tajlis, from tajlis. Ijlis, ijlisa. Ijlisi, ijlisa. Tajlis, ijlis, ijlisa. Ijlisi, ijlisa. And from tarja', tarja', irja', irji'a. Irja', irji'a. Irji'i, irji'a. So irji'a is for masculine, for feminine, both. So irja', irji'a, irji'i, irji'a. And from ta'rif, i'rif, i'rifi, i'rifa. You have to learn, I think, only 3 words enough. For masculine, singular, for feminine, singular, and dual for masculine, feminine, both. So if you memorize and keep in mind only 3 patterns, it is enough for you. So, i'rif, i'rifi, i'rifa. I'rif, i'rifi, i'rifa. Ihmil, ihmili, ihmila. Ihmil, ihmili, ihmila. Uktub, to write, uktub. Uktub, uktubi, uktuba. Uktub, uktubi, uktuba. Uktub, uktubi, uktuba. Unzur, unzuri, unzura. Unzur, unzuri, unzura. That means to see. Suppose you say, unzur ila al-jidar. Unzur ila al-jidar. Unzuri ila al-jidar. Unzura ila al-jidar. Unzura ila al-hadiqa. Unzura ila al-maktaba. Unzura ila al-saqfi. Unzura ila al-mirwaha. انظرا إلى الطاولة. انظرا for dual. So you have to practice dual also. Ushkur, ushkuri, ushkura. Ushkur, ushkuri, ushkura. Ushkur, ushkuri, ushkura. So like that you have to memorize. And the real pattern is if'al, if'al, if'ali, if'ala. From fa'ala yaf'al, taf'al, if'al, if'ala, if'ali, if'ala. So dear students, in the next class you will learn the imperative verb fi'l amr for plural number, masculine and feminine both, in details, inshallah. So please keep on revising the previous lessons to improve your Arabic language skills. See you again in the next class. Bye bye. As-salama.